Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Real English News. This is Sharif Akram Yamani. Let's have today's headlines. Shamshabad Airport official seized 1.5 kg gold from a woman passenger coming from Dubai. Unknown attacks kill a home guard near Shamshabad by attacking him with a weapon. An increased rate of chain snatching incident in and around the Shamshabad areas have left the people of these areas worried. A dead body wrapped in a bag was found near Balapur, Gram Chauraha, Kutta by the police. Bad condition of an RTC bus took the life of an elderly person. 669 cases of meter tampering detected in all city areas. Congress in UP upbeat after Rahul Gandhi roadshow. United Nations reads aid in South Sudan after ceasefire deal. Let's have headlines in details. Unknown attacks killed a home guard near Shamshabad by attacking him with a weapon. An incident involving an attack on a home guard, namely Leela, which killed him, took place in Shamshabad. 30-year-old Illayya was a resident of Maheshwaram Mandal, Mirpet. He informed his relatives on Saturday and went for his duty, but he was killed on his way to his duty. Shamshabad police have registered a case and are investigating. An incident rate of chain snatching incident in and around the Shamshabad area have left the people of the areas worried. There has been a recent increase in chain snatching incident in the area. There has been an incident in the Shamshabad area where a person claiming to be a software engineer reportedly duped many women of the valuable gold ornament. There have also been incidents where the criminals have used substances to make the victim unconscious. The police is already working on this case and a solution is expected very soon.
మనుషులకు కనబట్టట్టు చాక్లెట్లు బిస్కెట్లు పెడదామని కొన్ని డబ్బాలు పక్కకు పెట్టిండ్రు వాళ్ళు తీసి మా షాప్లో. అయితే మీకు గిఫ్ట్ ఉంగరం వస్తుందండి అని చెప్పి ఫస్ట్ ఉంగరం తీసుకున్నారు, ఫోటో అంటే గీసుకున్నారు పేపర్ మీద. తర్వాత ఇచ్చేసాడు ఉంగరం ఇచ్చి మా వాళ్ళు వస్తున్నారండి ఇన్స్పెక్షన్కు, మీకు చైన్ అట్లా గిఫ్ట్ ఇస్తారు, మీరు చూపెట్టంటే ఇవ్వను అని చెప్పి చెప్పాను గొలుసు.
Shamshabad airport officials have seized 1.2 kg gold from a woman passenger coming from Dubai. The airport officials on Saturday intercepted a passenger coming from Dubai and found 1.2 kg of gold from her possessions. The gold was seized and a case was registered against the woman. A dead body was wrapped in a bag was found near Balapur, Gama Chaula, Kutta by the police. The body found in an unorganized state. The body was found in an unorganized state. The body was removed from the bag and shifted to Usmania Hospital for a post-mortem. The dead body hasn't yet been identified. The Kanchang Bagh police have registered a case and are investigating. Bad condition of an RTC bus took the life of an elderly person. In a traffic incident, an RTC bus full of passengers was moving on a road in Adilabad district, Medigura village, when the driver applied brakes to the bus. An elderly passenger sitting next to the door fell down from the moving bus and died on the spot. Since the bus had faulty doors, the bus passengers protested against the RTC department negligence. A theft incident took place in the Rajanagar area. A known decamper took away 2 kgs of gold and 10,000 of rupees from a person named Ganesh from his residency. According to the details, the thieves took away 2 lakhs of gold and 10,000 rupees cash from the house of a person named Ganesh. Mr. Ganesh and his family members were out of the house to attend a relative's wedding when the incident took place. Melanpalli police have registered a case and are investigating. 669 cases of meter tampering detected in Old City areas. At least 669 cases of meter tampering and dozens of theft were detected in raids conducted by the Central Power Distribution Company across Old City to check pilferage between March and May, officials said. The drive is a result of High Court order issued on February 24th that has directed us to take steps to combat power theft in the area. The drive will focus on commercial establishments which use three-phase meters as their rate of consumption of power is higher than that of the other consumer, Mr. Rao said. Congress in UP upbeat after Rahul Gandhi roadshow. Upbeat over Rahul Gandhi impressive roadshow here, Uttar Pradesh Congress today claimed there was euphoria among the people of the temple down, which proved that the hype for Narendra Modi as claimed by BJP was created artificially to mislead the citizen. Avinash Pandey, AICC Secretary and in charge of Uttar Pradesh, claimed Congress candidate Ajay Rai was going to emerge victorious in the May 12 polling, raining on the love and affection of the people of Varanasi. United Nations readies aid in South Sudan after ceasefire deal. The United Nations in South Sudan was reading aid on Saturday for towns ravaged by conflict between was waiting to see. The United Nations in South Sudan was reading aid on Saturday for towns ravaged by conflict but was waiting to see if a new ceasefire deal hold between the president and rebel leader before sending it. President Salva Kiir and rebel commander Riek Machar signed the deal on Friday after growing international pressure to end the ethnic fighting that has raised fear of genocide. A January accord collapsed swiftly after being agreed. Let's have a look on today's sports news top stories. Mexico named 23-man World Cup roster. Mexico coach Miguel Herrera named Manchester United striker Javier Hernandez and Villaris Giovanni Dos Santos in his 23-player squad for Brazil 2014 on Friday. Also included were Portodio Hector Herrera and Douglas Rios, as well as Achaiko goalkeeper Guillermo Ochoco. But Villarreal's Javier Aquino missed out despite having a good dead season in La Liga. We are ready for World Cup. Andrea Pirlo believes Italy is ready for the FIFA World Cup as the team looks to regain the trophy it won in 2006. The 34-year-old was part of the side that beat France on penalties in the final 8 years ago as Italy lifted its fourth World Cup. T1 Arillo meet is rare US heavyweight shutdown. Los Angeles AFP Bermain T1 and Chris Arillo will square off in a rematch for the vacant World Boxing Council belt when they meet Saturday in the first heavyweight championship bout on US soil since 2009. I believe that I am going to bring the excitement back to the heavyweight division, says T1. Tiger Woods have committed to a team event in October. While we sit wait out of the return of Tiger Woods to PGA Tour, one thing we know is that we will playing. Health pending at an inaugural event in Argentina this October. According to the ESPN's Bob Herring, Woods have committed to the event and he will team up with Matt Kuchar for what they are calling the Americans Golf Cup, and it will take place October 21-26 in Buenos Aires. Mumbai put in Praveen Kumar picked. One of the major talking points in a marquee Saturday prime time matchup was the return of the Praveen Kumar, who had played little top flight cricket since the previous IPL due to lengthy injury layoffs. Praveen Kumar himself got a chance after coming in a replacement for another injury-prone fast bowler, Zahir Khan, who was ruled out of the tournament with a shoulder problem. Let's have an update of today's share market. Sensex 22,994.23 with 2.9%, whereas Nifty for today stands with 6,858.80 with 2.99%. Sensex 22,994.23 with 2.91%, whereas Nifty for today stand with 6,858.80 with 2.99%. Let's have an update of today's gold and silver according to Malabar Goods. According to Malabar Gold, the rate for gold and silver for today, that is 10th May, Saturday, it is as follows. For 22 carats of gold for 10 grams, it's rupees 27,880, whereas for 24 carats of gold for 10 grams, it's rupees 29,490. The silver rates for today, for 10 grams, it's rupees 440. Let's have a look on today's weather report of 6 regions of Telangana state. Hyderabad minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius and maximum 37 degrees Celsius. Mehboob-Nagar minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius and maximum 37 degrees Celsius. Karimnagar minimum temperature 25 degrees Celsius and maximum 36 degrees Celsius. Nizamabad minimum temperature 27 degrees Celsius and maximum 38 degrees Celsius. Medak minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius and maximum 37 degrees Celsius. Whereas Khammam district for today's temperature with a minimum 24 degrees Celsius and maximum 37 degrees Celsius. Headlines once again. Shamshabad Airport official seized 1.5 kg gold from a woman passenger coming from Dubai. Unknown attacks killed a home guard near Shamshabad by attacking him with a weapon. An increased rate of chain snatching incident in and around the Shamshabad areas have left the people of these areas worried. A dead body wrapped in a bag was found near Balapur, Gram Chauraha, Kutta by the police. Bad condition of an RTC bus took the life of an elderly person. 669 cases of meter tampering detected in all city areas. Congress in UP upbeat after Rahul Gandhi roadshow. United Nations reads aid in South Sudan after ceasefire deal. That's all in this newscast for today. Keep watching Real English News. This is Sharif Ikram Yamani. Sign up for today. Allah Hafiz.